If you're drawn to the relaxed lifestyle and the look of life by the water, maybe coastal style is your style.
This is a casual look with the focus on a love for ocean hues and sun-bleached white furnishings. It incorporates natural materials, textures, and lighter fabrics. They all work seamlessly together to create the look of life by the ocean. Colors that go well in this style are neutrals with light blues and green tones, which are relaxing and reminiscent of water. Some design elements are bleached wood floors and cabinetry, white trim, seashells, and accessories commonly found at the beach. People who gravitate towards this style tend to have a laid-back personality and may live near the water.
For inspiration and ideas, visit our website or a local Pulte sales center.